Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the keyboard has power and your phone's Bluetooth is active. Put the keyboard into pairing mode now, often a dedicated button, or holding FN plus P for 3 to 5 seconds. On the phone, open Settings and enable Bluetooth, keeping the device visible so it can discover new peripherals. Once done, you will see the keyboard name appear in the list. Tap it to pair. This immediate pairing step connects the hardware and primes you for configuration. After tapping the keyboard name, follow any on-screen passcode prompts. Type the code if requested to finalize pairing. Once connected, go to keyboard settings to choose layout and language so keys map correctly. This fixes issues like swapped at and or incorrect punctuation. Make sure function keys behave as you expect by toggling the FN key mode. Then test in a simple app like Notes. Adjust key repeat rate and delay and accessibility. You finish by assigning useful shortcuts. App switching, media controls, or macros through the keyboard's companion app if available, so daily tasks are faster. If something goes wrong, unpair the device, power cycle the keyboard and phone, then repair. This resolves most connection quirks. Make sure phone OS and keyboard firmware are up to date, and if Bluetooth still fails, test with a wired USB-C or Lightning adapter to isolate hardware versus software issues. That single troubleshooting step often reveals the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.